Chapter 13: Rocks, Minerals and Fossil Fuels.
The earth provides us with land to live on it and soil to grow crops. But under the layer of soil lies rocks, minerals, metals, and fossil fuels. Rocks and minerals. Our earth is made up of soil and rocks. Rocks are made up of minerals. Minerals are naturally occurring substances with fixed composition. They are formed due to natural processes taking place within the earth. A rock may contain one or more minerals. Minerals such as mica and quartz are used in industries. Potassium salts, sulfates, and phosphates are used to make soil fertile. Precious stones like diamond, emerald, ruby, and sapphire are also dug out of rocks. These all are minerals. They are shaped and polished to make jewelry. Our body also needs some minerals like calcium, iron, and iodine for healthy growth. A mineral from which a useful substance can be profitably extracted is called an ore. Metals are extracted from the ores. Some of these ores are hematite, iron ore, bauxite, aluminium ore, pyrite, copper ore, and calamine, zinc ore. Some rocks contain metals such as gold, silver, platinum, copper, aluminium, and nickel. These metals are used to make vessels, coins, machines, and jewelry. Rocks are of three types according to their formation: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, metamorphic rocks. Igneous rocks. Igneous rocks form the base of all landforms like plains, hills, and also of ocean beds. Almost 95% of the Earth's crust is made up of igneous rocks. Igneous rocks are formed by hardening and cooling of hot liquid rock material. The molten rock is called lava. How are igneous rocks formed? The Earth is very hot inside. The rocks inside the earth are in molten form and they are called magma. Hot magma is pushed upwards by the pressure of other rocks inside the earth. Magma, which escapes through the volcano, is called lava. When lava cools, it hardens to form igneous rocks. The types of igneous rock formed depends upon the kind of minerals present in the lava. Types of igneous rocks. Obsidian looks almost like a black glass. It is used to make tools due to the presence of sharp edges on its surface. It is formed from magma that cools very quickly. Granite forms when magma cools below the surface of the earth. Granite is the most common igneous rock. The three main minerals in granite are mica, quartz, and feldspar. It is very hard and is extensively used as building material and for making statues. The color of granite may be pink, grey, and black, depending upon the content of different minerals in it. The Brihadeswarar temple in Thanjavur, Tamil Nadu, has been built entirely with granite. Basalt is a dark and hard volcanic rock. When lava flows from volcanoes or from cracks in the earth's surface and then hardens, this rock is formed. Basalt has very sharp edges. It contains magnesium and iron in high quantities. It is used in the construction of buildings. It makes up most of the oceanic crust of the earth. Pumice is another igneous rock which is formed from cooled lava froth. The lava froth contains a lot of gas. As it cools down, the gas is trapped inside. The gas pockets make pumice very light. It is light grey or cream colored. It is used to scrub dead skin and dirt from body. Dentists also use powdered pumice to polish the teeth. Sedimentary rocks. These rocks were built up over millions of years. They are made up of layers of sediments. Sedimentary rocks cover major portion of the land surface. How are sedimentary rocks formed? As water flows over hills, mountains and plains, it carries soil and tiny pieces of rocks which settle down at the bottom of rivers, lakes and ocean. As more layers get added, the lower layers of sediment get pressed down. These layers are cemented together by minerals. Eventually, all the pressed down layers turn into sedimentary rocks. Types of sedimentary rocks. Sandstone is the most common sedimentary rock. It is made of sand grains cemented together. Sandstone may be yellow, pink, brown or red depending upon the mineral present in it. Sandstone takes its color from the cementing materials. It is used in buildings. Red sandstone has been used in making many monuments. The Red Fort in Delhi is made of red sandstones. Conglomerate is a rock of uneven texture. It is made of pebbles and gravel cemented together by minerals and sand. Conglomerate is mostly found in shades of orange and grey. It has coarse grains. It is used to polish ornaments and used as an ornamental rock. It is also used in construction work. Limestone is made from the remains of tiny sea creatures. It is made of a mineral called calcite, which was once a part of animal shells. It is mostly grey or white in color. Limestone is used for whitewashing a house. Chalk is a form of limestone. Limestone is also used in making glass, bricks and cement. Dolomite is like limestone but contains magnesium also. Shale is made up of clay and mud particles piled up in layers. It is smooth and is mostly used in making tiles or bricks. Metamorphic rocks. These are rocks which were once either igneous or sedimentary. Powerful forces like heat and pressure brought about changes in these rocks. How are metamorphic rocks formed? The great heat and pressure under the earth causes changes in igneous or sedimentary rocks. In some rocks, the minerals are broken into smaller ones. In others, the minerals are stretched into flat particles, while in some others, the cementing materials are replaced. These rocks are called metamorphic rocks. Types of metamorphic rocks. Slate is formed by the metamorphosis of shale, a sedimentary rock. It can easily be split into layers. It is used to make slates, roofs and blackboards. Marble is formed by the metamorphosis of limestone, a sedimentary rock. It is found in different colors. White marble is the most favored one. It is used in making buildings, floors and statues. The polished marble gleams brightly. The Taj Mahal is made up of white marble. Gneiss is a metamorphosed granite. It contains mica, which makes it shine. It has light and dark band of different colors on its surface. It is used as a building material. Quartzite is a metamorphosed sandstone. It is too hard to be used as a building material, but statues are made out of it. It is also used as gemstone and for making watches and glass. Fossil fuels. Fossil fuels are valuable minerals. Coal, crude oil and natural gas are known as fossil fuels. They are made from remains of plants and animals that lived millions of years ago. Over the years, the heat of the earth and the pressure of layers of mud and rocks slowly changed these remains into fossil fuels. We can burn fossil fuels to get energy. Coal. Millions of years ago, land was low-lying and covered with thick swampy forests. As trees died, they fell into swamp. Mud and new vegetation pressed the dead plants to the bottom. Due to intense pressure, these dead trees converted into coal. Coal is obtained from mines. Some of the coal mines in India are located in Raniganj in West Bengal, Neyveli in Tamil Nadu, and Dhanbad in Jharkhand. Types of coal. Coal occurs in 4 different forms. Peat gives off much less amount of heat on burning. It was the earliest type of coal to be formed. Lignite, also called the brown coal, is a soft and brownish black coal. It makes the largest portion of the total coal reserves in the world. Bituminous, also called the soft coal, gives a lot of smoke on burning. Anthracite, also called the hard coal, is the best coal. It gives large amount of heat with very little smoke on burning. Uses of coal. Coal is used as a fuel for cooking, for producing electricity, for moving engines, in blast furnace, for heating homes and buildings. It is used in making drugs, nylon, fertilizers, and plastics. Crude oil is formed from the remains of plants and animals that lived in the sea. They sank to the seabed and got covered with a layer of sand. Over the years, they changed into crude oil. Crude oil is found under the seabed. It is a thick black liquid which is taken out from oil wells set up over oil reserves. Crude oil cannot be used in its raw form. It has to be refined in an oil refinery. Uses of crude oil. When crude oil is refined, we get diesel, petrol, and kerosene. Crude oil is also used to make plastics, fertilizers, medicines, and cosmetics. Lubricating oil and printing ink are also made from it. Paraffin wax obtained from crude oil is used to make candles, waterproof cartons, polish, etc. Natural gas. It is a kind of gas which is found underground with crude oil deposits. It is used as a fuel.